So the first step is to scrape off the algae from the concrete surface. So we begin scraping it off. The green algae is quite stubborn. You see it everywhere. So next is to get boiling water and add some cleaning solutions such as the laundry bleach to the water. Then we use that in cleaning the algae. Alright. So the water is boiling already. So we had the laundry wash, the laundry solution, like this one. This is a type of laundry bleach. I'm going to do the cleaning of the algae. So that's what we're going to do now. All right. Water here mixed with the laundry wash, laundry bleach. We also use the same water to wash. See the hot water? And for the floor, use the bigger brush.